Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing a variable. Let n equal the first consecutive even number so the next ones are n plus 2, n plus 4, etc. Once set, translate the word problem into an equation. For example, sum equals n plus 2 or product equals n plus 2. Then simplify. Collect like terms and bring all pieces to one side so you have a standard linear or quadratic form. This early setup prevents sign errors and clarifies which formula you must solve. Now solve the equation you formed. If it's linear, isolate n and compute the value. Once done, plug back to list all consecutive even numbers. If it's quadratic, arrange into ax 2 plus bx plus c equals 0 and factor if possible. Otherwise, apply the quadratic formula. Make sure to simplify radicals and compute exact values. After solving, test each root. Substitute into the original statement to confirm both the arithmetic and the requirement that complete by presenting the final even integers and demonstrating the substitution check so you show why they satisfy the original condition. If you obtain a non-integer or odd value, discard it since you defined n as an even integer. Similarly, if an extraneous root appears, retrace your steps, check distribution, sign errors, and that you wrote the relationship correctly. If factoring fails, recalculate coefficients and use the quadratic formula. This fixes most mistakes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.